Hello, my wonderful friends. Today I'll be teaching you addition, not like normal. So addition sign is plus, something like the thing that I drew right now. Now we'll be doing some basic addition, like 23 plus 52. And I feel like all of you would be like, no, that's way too hard for basic addition. But it's very basic because easily you could just put 23 and 52 vertically like I'm doing at the moment. And then put 2 lines underneath. Make sure to add the addition symbol next to them and then add. So in here we will be doing some place values. There'll be a tens and there'll be a ones place. And I'm going to use my magical hand to erase 23 plus 52. So I have some space to write. So there's the tens place, which is T, and the ones place, which is O. Now, first we have to add the ones place, 3 plus 2. In your fingers, you have to put 3 fingers and add 2 more fingers. Now, you should have 5 fingers. So I'm going to write down 5. Now for 2 plus 5, it's the tens place this time. And 2 plus 5, so 2 on your fingers and 5 on your fingers equals to 7. So our answer is 75. Now we'll be doing another way of doing addition. So first I'm going to rub out everything that I was writing. And this is my other way. So it's called number line jump strategy. It's really easy and it's really fun. First you want a line and have 2 corners. Actually the 2 end and start of the line with the line. So you need 0 at 1 and then the question mark where I have it. So the question mark is going to be the answer that we're going to write. So we're going to do the same sentence, 23 plus 52. Now, another way to do this is split 23 into 2 parts, 20 and 3. So for 20, we'll be using jump strategy, something like this. So we'll make like an oval type of jump. And since in 20 there's 2 tens, I'll write 10 plus. Now, since there's 2, I'm going to do 1 more jump. So it's 10 plus again. That means it would turn into 20. Now the 3. You could either write 3 individual ones, or you could write 3 just as a big lump. So this is how the individual ones would look. But I am going to do a big lump since it's way easier. And I'm going to write plus 3 in it. Now for 52. 52 is 50 and 2. So I could either put 20 plus 20 plus 10. But I'm choosing to put 5 tens to make it a little easier. So I'm going to draw the 5 tens for 52. That looks very much like 100, but it's a 10. 2 more tens to go. And then I'm going to do the 2, which I can write individually like I showed you, 2 individual ones. But I'm going to choose to do the whole 2, which you're going to be seeing in a minute or so. Here now I have finished my number line. Now I will simply add. So 10 plus 10. So why don't we do this? We take all the zeros. So 1 plus 1 instead of 10 plus 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 I think should be 7. Now we have 70 since they all had a 0 and we need to take their 0. Now for 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So that's another way of figuring out our answer is 75. There shouldn't be 70 there. Let me just rub it out and write 5 because the answer is meant to be 75, not 70. And now I'm gonna teach you something like harder addition in a minute after I magically rub out my beautiful screen. Now, so this addition is called carry forward technique. It's quite hard, but also it's very useful when it comes to addition sentences like 75 plus 26. So I'm going to write that down. Now the same strategy you'll do, add the plus at the side and put 2 lines underneath. Now, we do 5 plus 6, but that is 11. But we don't want to just write 11 straight up, like right there, like 11 right, like underneath 5 plus 6, because we have a different way of writing that, which is 11 like this. So in the ones digit is 1, so we put 1 underneath 5 and 6. And do you know where the other one goes? Right above 7 plus 2. So we add that extra 1 in. So 1 plus 7 plus 2. So now you see 1 plus 7 plus 2, which is 10. And since it's in the last spot, so we can't just carry forward it, we'll just write 10. So our answer is 101. Now I'll be teaching you some 3-digit addition. Now these are the easy types that everybody can do. 100 plus 200, or like 200 plus 400. But no, we will be doing some advanced type of a 3-digit addition. Let me think. So our addition is gonna be a little harder, and I probably will show you in carry forward version, but I don't know. So let's do 232 plus 333. I'm gonna do my 2 lines and the plus. So make sure you have the plus because you may forget. Now 2 plus 3 is obviously 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5 once again. So our answer is 565. Now we'll do another type of 3-digit addition. So I'm going to magically rub my beautiful screen. And our 3-digit addition is not going to be a number line, but we're actually doing the same sentence. By same sentence, I mean we're going to do the same sentence with one thing different. So 232 plus 330, and this time instead of 3, we will put 9. And we'll make sure to do the plus and the 2 lines. 2 plus 9 equals to 11. So we're going to do the same technique and put the 1 underneath and then the other one in the tens place up there. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus the 1 up there equals to 7. Now, here I made a mistake. Now that I notice, because I'm doing a voiceover, I wrote 6. Now that's meant to be a 7. I'm just letting you know. And 2 plus 3 is 5. Easily. That's our answer. 571, not 561. Since I'm voiceover, then it just gets confusing. Now it's time for me to go. So bye.